Chimpanzees, pan-troglodytes, are highly intelligent and social primates, sharing a close evolutionary relationship with humans. Here's an overview of the life of chimpanzees. 1. Taxonomy and distribution. Chimpanzees are one of the 4 great ape species and are classified under the genus Pan. They are native to the forests and savannas of Central and West Africa. 2. Social structure. Chimpanzees live in complex social groups called communities. These communities are led by an alpha male, and relationships among individuals involve intricate social dynamics. Hierarchies are established through alliances, conflicts, and grooming behaviors. 3. Diet. Chimpanzees are omnivores with a diverse diet. They primarily feed on fruits, leaves, seeds, and flowers, but they also consume insects, small mammals, and, occasionally, other primates. Their diet can vary based on the availability of food in their habitat. 4. Tool use and culture. Chimpanzees are known for their advanced tool use. They use sticks, leaves, and other objects for various purposes, such as extracting termites from mounds, cracking nuts, and even using leaves as sponges. Some communities display cultural variations in tool use, suggesting the transmission of learned behaviors within groups. 5. Communication. Chimpanzees communicate through a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and gestures. They use vocalizations such as screams, grunts, and hoots to convey different messages. Facial expressions and body language play a crucial role in their social interactions. 6. Intelligence and problem solving. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent and capable of solving complex problems. They have been observed using tools to obtain food, strategizing in hunting, and exhibiting problem-solving skills in various experimental settings. 7. Mating behavior. Chimpanzees do not have a strict mating season. Females experience estrus, and males compete for mating opportunities. The alpha male in a community often has preferential access to mating with females, but mating can also occur between subordinate males and females. 8. Grooming and social bonds. Grooming plays a crucial role in chimpanzee social life. It serves to strengthen social bonds, reduce tension, and establish alliances. Individuals engage in mutual grooming, using it as a form of social currency within the community. 9. Mother-offspring bond. The bond between mothers and their offspring is strong in chimpanzee societies. Mothers care for and protect their infants, and the young chimps learn essential social and survival skills by observing and interacting with their mothers. 10. Infant development. Chimpanzee infants are dependent on their mothers for several years. During this time, they learn essential skills, including climbing, foraging, and social behaviors. Infants stay close to their mothers and gradually become more independent as they grow. 11. Community dynamics. Chimpanzee communities can vary in size, ranging from a few individuals to over 100. Within a community, subgroups may form based on age, kinship, or social affiliations. Interactions between different communities can lead to territorial behaviors and even conflicts. 12. Lifespan. In the wild, chimpanzees have an estimated lifespan of around 40 to 50 years. Their life expectancy can be influenced by factors such as predation, disease, and human-related threats. 13. Predators and threats. While chimpanzees don't have many natural predators, they face threats from leopards and, to some extent, humans. Habitat loss, poaching, and diseases like Ebola pose significant challenges to chimpanzee populations. 14. Cognitive abilities. Chimpanzees exhibit advanced cognitive abilities, including problem-solving, memory, and the ability to understand cause and effect relationships. They can learn complex tasks and even demonstrate a basic understanding of numerical concepts. 15. Human-chimpanzee similarities. Humans and chimpanzees share about 98% of their DNA. Studying chimpanzees provides insights into our own evolutionary history and behavior. They are used as model organisms in scientific research, particularly in fields such as primatology and comparative psychology. 16. Cultural behaviors. Some chimpanzee communities display cultural behaviors, including variations in tool use and hunting techniques. These cultural practices can be passed down through generations, highlighting the complexity of chimpanzee societies. 17. Chimpanzee vocalizations. Chimpanzees use a range of vocalizations, including pant hoots, screams, barks, and grunts. Pant hoots, in particular, are complex vocal displays that serve various functions, such as communication over long distances and signaling group cohesion. 18. Chimpanzee hunting and meat eating. Chimpanzees are known to engage in cooperative hunting, where individuals work together to capture and share prey. They primarily hunt small mammals like monkeys but have also been observed hunting larger prey on occasion. 19. Chimpanzee sleep patterns. Chimpanzees, like humans, have a diurnal sleep pattern, meaning they are active during the day and rest at night. They build nests in trees for sleeping, using leaves and branches for comfort and insulation. 20. Chimpanzee conservation. Chimpanzees are listed as endangered, primarily due to habitat loss, poaching, and diseases. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats, addressing threats from human activities, and promoting sustainable practices. Studying chimpanzees in the wild and in captivity provides valuable insights into primate behavior, social structure, and cognitive abilities. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of these remarkable and closely related species. 21 Cognitive abilities in tool use. Chimpanzees exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities in using tools. They select appropriate tools for specific tasks, modify them for better functionality, and show problem-solving skills in tool-related activities. 22 Facial expressions and communication. Chimpanzees use facial expressions as a form of communication within their social groups. Expressions such as smiles, grimaces, and open-mouth displays convey a range of emotions, from friendliness to aggression. 23 Use of sign language and symbols. In captivity, some chimpanzees have been taught sign language or symbolic communication systems. This has provided insights into their ability to understand and use symbols for communication, demonstrating their linguistic capabilities. 24 Emotion and empathy. Chimpanzees display a range of emotions, including joy, sadness, and anger. They also exhibit empathy, showing concern for others in their group. Instances of consolation, reconciliation, and cooperation highlight their emotional intelligence. 25 Playful behaviors. Play is an essential part of chimpanzee behavior, especially among young individuals. Playful activities include chasing, wrestling, and climbing, helping juveniles develop physical and social skills. 26 Altruistic behaviors. Chimpanzees engage in altruistic behaviors, such as sharing food and providing support to others in their group. These behaviors contribute to social cohesion and the establishment of positive relationships within the community. 27 Long-term memory. Chimpanzees demonstrate long-term memory capabilities. They can remember the locations of feeding sites, the types of food available, and past social interactions. This ability aids them in navigating their complex environments. 28. Navigation and spatial memory. Chimpanzees have a strong spatial memory, allowing them to navigate their territory efficiently. They remember the locations of resources, including food and water sources, and use landmarks to guide their movements. 29. Maternal teaching. Mothers play a crucial role in teaching their offspring essential skills. Young chimpanzees learn by observing their mothers and other members of the community. This includes techniques for tool use, foraging, and social interactions. 30. Dominance and aggression. Within chimpanzee communities, dominance hierarchies exist, and social interactions involve displays of dominance and aggression. Dominant individuals may assert their status through vocalizations, body posturing, and physical confrontations. 31. Vocal mimicry. Chimpanzees are capable of vocal mimicry, imitating the sounds of other species or even human-made sounds. This behavior demonstrates their flexibility in communication and suggests a level of social learning. 32. Cross-generational learning. Cultural behaviors and learned traditions can be passed down through generations of chimpanzees. Observational learning and the transmission of specific behaviors from older individuals to younger ones contribute to the cultural diversity observed in different communities. 33. Problem solving in the wild. In the wild, chimpanzees face various ecological challenges, such as accessing food resources or dealing with predators. Their ability to innovate and solve problems is crucial for adapting to changing environmental conditions. 34. Cognitive tasks in captivity. Chimpanzees in captivity are often involved in cognitive tasks and enrichment activities. These tasks can include puzzle solving, memory games, and activities that stimulate their problem-solving abilities, providing mental stimulation. 35. Vocal dialects. Different chimpanzee communities may exhibit variations in their vocalizations, akin to dialects. This variation is believed to be a form of communication unique to specific groups and contributes to their social identity. 36. Chimps and water. Chimpanzees, in general, are not as fond of water as some other primates, but they can swim. However, there are variations among individuals and communities in their attitudes toward water, with some chimps showing a greater affinity for aquatic activities. 37. Post-conflict reconciliation. After conflicts or aggressive encounters, chimpanzees engage in post-conflict reconciliation behaviors. Grooming, embracing, and other affiliative actions help to restore social bonds and reduce tension within the group. 38. Threats from human activities. Human activities pose significant threats to chimpanzee populations, including habitat destruction through logging and agriculture, hunting, and the illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts aim to address these threats and protect chimpanzee habitats. 39. Chimpanzee self-awareness. Studies involving mirror self-recognition tests suggest that chimpanzees possess a level of self-awareness. This ability is indicative of a higher cognitive capacity and is one of the criteria used to assess cognitive abilities in primates. 40. Studies on chimpanzee cognition. Ongoing research on chimpanzee cognition includes experiments that assess their problem-solving abilities, memory, and understanding of cause and effect relationships. These studies contribute to our understanding of primate intelligence and cognitive evolution. 41. Reproductive strategies. Female chimpanzees have a relatively long reproductive period, and their reproductive strategies can vary. Some factors influencing reproductive success include social status, access to resources, and the support of other females within the community. 42. Fission fusion dynamics. Chimpanzee communities exhibit fission fusion dynamics, meaning they can split into smaller groups, fission, and later rejoin, fusion. This flexibility in social organization allows for adaptive responses to changes in resource availability and social dynamics. 43. Adaptation to local environments. Chimpanzees show adaptation to diverse environments across their range. Different populations may develop specific behaviors and tool use techniques adapted to local conditions, emphasizing the importance of environmental influences on their cultural behaviors. 44. Facial recognition. Chimpanzees demonstrate the ability to recognize individual faces, both within their own community and when interacting with other groups. This skill is essential for social interactions, maintaining relationships, and avoiding conflicts. 45. Use of medicinal plants. There are instances of chimpanzees using plants for medicinal purposes. They may consume specific plant parts, like leaves, that have medicinal properties, possibly to treat ailments or parasites. This behavior reflects a level of self-medication. 46. Cross-species interactions. In the wild, chimpanzees may interact with other primate species, such as monkeys. These interactions can range from neutral coexistence to aggression. Observing cross-species interactions provides insights into the complexity of primate communities. 47. Mother-daughter relationships. The relationship between mothers and daughters is particularly significant in chimpanzee communities. Daughters often stay in close proximity to their mothers even after reaching adulthood, and strong bonds between them contribute to social stability. 48. Juvenile play and learning. Play is crucial for the development of juvenile chimpanzees. Through playful activities, they learn essential skills, including social behaviors, coordination, and problem-solving. Play also serves as a means of bonding within the community. 49. Vocal dialects and regional differences. Vocalizations in chimpanzees can exhibit regional differences and dialects. Different communities may have variations in the structure and usage of vocal signals, contributing to the rich communication within and between groups. 50. Posture and gestures. Chimpanzees communicate not only through vocalizations but also through body language, gestures, and postures. Displays such as hugging, patting, and grooming serve various communicative functions and play a crucial role in maintaining social bonds. 51. Problem solving in captivity. Chimpanzees in captivity are often involved in cognitive enrichment activities. Researchers design tasks and puzzles to stimulate their problem-solving abilities, providing mental stimulation and addressing the need for cognitive challenges in captive settings. 52. Role of older individuals. Older individuals in chimpanzee communities, particularly females, play important roles in decision-making and social cohesion. Their experiences contribute to the overall knowledge and stability of the group. 53. Disease susceptibility. Chimpanzees, like humans, are susceptible to various diseases. In the wild, diseases such as respiratory infections and parasites can impact their health. Understanding disease dynamics is crucial for conservation efforts and the management of captive populations. 54. Conservation genetics. Genetic studies in chimpanzees contribute to understanding population genetics, gene flow, and genetic diversity. Conservation genetics helps guide management strategies to maintain healthy and resilient populations. 55. Grooming reciprocity. Grooming is a social behavior in chimpanzees that serves to maintain hygiene, reduce tension, and strengthen social bonds. Grooming sessions often involve a degree of reciprocity, with individuals taking turns grooming each other. 56. Cognitive development in infants. Infant chimpanzees undergo significant cognitive development during their early years. They learn from observing their mothers and other community members, acquiring essential skills for survival and social interactions. 57. Cross-cultural observations. Observations of different chimpanzee communities reveal variations in behaviors and cultural practices. These cross-cultural studies provide valuable insights into the diversity of chimpanzee societies and the transmission of cultural knowledge. 58. Communication during cooperation. When chimpanzees engage in cooperative activities, such as hunting, they use various forms of communication. Vocalizations, gestures, and coordinated movements facilitate effective cooperation among group members. 59. Personality differences. Individual chimpanzees can exhibit distinct personality traits. Some may be more outgoing and adventurous, while others may be more reserved. Understanding personality differences contributes to the overall understanding of chimpanzee behavior. 60. Conservation education programs. Education programs that raise awareness about chimpanzees and their conservation are crucial for fostering public support. Zoos, sanctuaries, and conservation organizations often implement educational initiatives to promote understanding and conservation efforts. The study of chimpanzees continues to provide profound insights into primate behavior, cognition, and social organization, with implications for both their well-being and the broader understanding of our shared evolutionary history.